This is the box feeder. We put the store raw material here. After that, this come into the mixer, two auxiliary mixer. In this place, we added about 20% water. After that, go to the first valve, and after that, go to second valve, and the end of this place, they come into the one mixer again, and mix it, and go to the box feeder, middle box feeder. In middle box feeder, we have a store about 200 ton each one of this displays. And after that, from this, slowly from the box feeder, we take it and send to the press. This is store 200 ton each one of this. For 12 hours we have a raw material for producing this. From this to middle box feeder, ready clay come in and come to the two auxiliary mixer, vacuum mixer. In this place we needed any water needed, and from this one come to the press, and from press into the extruder press, come down, and with this equipment go into the loading elevator. In loading elevator stay, pull it, and finger transfer come in and take it and send to the derailleur. This extruder is 500 T500, and they producing less than 600 T600. But the quality of the clay is very good and very soft. After press, they come into the cutting table. In cutting table, cutting, and go to the for take it and put pallets. We added one pallet in this one, and this pallet put it to a elevator. Elevator stay for when they full it, finger transfer come in and take it and go to the garage. Did you see? We put here two cutting tables. One of these cutting table is for big bricks, and one of these is enough for small bricks. You see now the finger and transfer card, take it from the elevator and go into the derailleur system. This derailleur system is chamber derailleur. They stay here for 24 hours in this place, and after drying we take it and put outside. here inside of the dryer system with 18 meter width and 7 meter high, and a special circulation fan for mixing the hot air in this area. After that, the finger transfer car go in and take dry bricks, dry raw bricks from the dryer system and go back stay in transfer car, and transfer car come in and put in unloading elevator. Unloading elevator, that means the end of this place, and going to the outside for a killer. This is unloading elevator. And again come back and go to the spade for the green again robotic. You see here elevator slowly they given all of the bricks, and here the running and go for outside. And you see elevator pallet, again they empty and go to the for a new production.